Hi, my name is Luke, and I'm a student in the Diesel Technology program at the Medina County Career Center. I'm going to be taking you guys around and showing you what's here today. To first show you ASC certifications. You'll earn multiple of these while you're in the program, as well as an OSHA 10 and a CPR certification. In here, we have our tool room, where there's just about any tool you can need to work on any of the trucks. You are welcome to bring in your own toolbox, tools, etc., but everything you could possibly need is here. We'll move on here and see what the other guy's working on. Here it looks like Keith is working on brakes. We do all kinds of stuff with brakes while you're here. We'll replace them, adjust them, learn about the different kinds. Up here we have Steven. He's working on the Kenworth here. And it looks like he is pressure testing the coolant system, check for leaks, that sort of thing. Over here, it looks like they're doing some preventative maintenance, like greasing. He's checking the oil there. They'll change the filters. All those kind of things you'll learn how to do while here in the lab. Now we'll move on to the back here where we have the fab shop. This is where all the fabricating is done. We have our welders, MIG welding, stick welding, and plasma cutting. I'll let them show you what they're doing.
How you guys doing? My name's Jake. My home school is Medina, and I'm here at the diesel program at the Medina County Career Center. Even though I still go to school here and I do all my academics here, I still play lacrosse at Medina. I still have a pretty good friend group, and I still stay close to Medina. One of the nice things about being at the Career Center is I can go on placement. I can come here in the morning for my academics, and then what would be my time here in lab, in diesel, I get to go out and work for the rest of the day. So what we're doing here is we're setting up our plasma cutter, and we're gonna cut a piece of metal for you guys.
As Jake mentioned, early placement is an option for seniors here. You'll be eligible to go out on an actual job, work at an actual facility. I personally work at B&K Truck Repair in Lodi, and so I'm out every day of the week working a full-time job, earning a paycheck while also earning school credit. Over here we have our MIG welding booths as well as our stick welding booth. All of those you'll learn how to use in your junior year and perfect the skills in your senior year. Up on the stands here we have a local school bus that's in for some repairs. Against this wall here, we have some engine blocks that are up on stands. These are used in your junior year. You will completely tear them apart all the way down to the block and then measure everything and build them all the way back up. Gilbert, would you like to explain what you guys are doing here?
I'm Gilbert from Highland, and we are putting cylinder 3 in right now.
Over here, it looks like Quentin is working on one of our wiring boards. You'll use these in your senior year to basically learn the whole wiring system for a full-size truck. It's all just on a smaller scale. Down the line here, we have James, and it looks like he's working with some valves. You want to explain what you're doing here?
Hi, I'm James. I go to Cloverleaf. I'm currently wrestling and I played football. I'm enrolled in the CAP program, and what you're looking at here is a valve grinding machine, and what this is used for is you reface the valves so they seal properly in your cylinder heads.
Right here it looks like Jesse is working on some soldering. That's just another skill you'll learn in your junior year. And Daniel here is playing with some trailer wiring. You'll actually learn how to rewire some of these plugs, and just another skill to learn. Over here it looks like these guys are adjusting the valves on this engine. This is just another one of the engines that we use to tear down and just explain basic functions. As we talked about earlier, early placement is an option for seniors. But after you graduate, there's a lot of different career paths that people can take. One path is the Ohio CAT Think Big program, which I was actually accepted into. That is a scholarship program that you'll be there for 8 weeks and then 8 weeks working in a shop with CAT, earning a paycheck. And that continues for about 2 years. Also, multiple other students from this lab have been accepted into that this year. There's other programs like the John Deere has a scholarship program, as well as Ag Pro and even Peterbilt. Thank you for joining us on the tour of the Diesel Technology Lab today. We'll hope to see you next year.